protect your Instagram account, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner and click on your profile menu. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on these three lines on the top extreme right. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to click on Account Center. Then with this selected, make sure to proceed and click on Password and Security. And this is where the magic will happen. And the password and security, you have the change password, so you can continue to click on change password and do the necessary changes to your password. And you can also enable the two-factor authentication, which indeed is very important to protect your account. And you can also save your login. Best of all, you have the option to check where your device is logged in. So when you tap on this, it will redirect you to this interface and then continue to click on it. So this will pull out the list of all the locations and the devices that is currently logged in on your Instagram account. So if you see any device that you are not certain of it, you can then continue to click on select devices to log out. So this will bring you to an interface like this. So this is a device that is device type unknown. If I don't know, I can just continue to tap on this box and then continue to tap on log out. So this will automatically log out the device on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.